Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and I just got something from Amazon today. So the sister company of Sajili, who sends me remote control toys, said, "Here, Urban, we know you do things in the kitchen, so how would you like to try one of our other products?" I said, "Sure, why not?" So here it is, guys. So what they sent me was a casserole carrier. This fits a 9x13 baking pan, and I will be using it to carry some nice fresh baked brownies because Herb's gonna get back in the kitchen and I will be making some nice brownies. You guys know my special brownies. So let's go ahead and open up this sucker and see how it looks. So I've got it open now. It has a nice velcro handle here, so let's go ahead and open that up. So I've got that open, so now let's open up these zippers and let's take a look inside this nice insulated casserole carrier we got here. And there you go, very nice. Pretty decent size. I'd say you could definitely get 2 of those gallon-sized Ziplocs full of product, if you know what I mean. Herb here is going to get back in the kitchen, and I will be making myself up a nice 9x13 baking pan worth of some of my special recipe brownies. So this would be perfect to carry those brownies to a nice holiday party if we could get together, but you know, with times being what they are. But once we're able to get out there, I think this will make a great casserole carrier, a carrier for your special brownies, a carrier for, who knows, maybe a special cake. So Herb will be getting back in the kitchen. I will be leaving a link for this casserole carrier down in the description. It looks like a pretty nice casserole carrier, or to carry anything that you so desire, as it is insulated. So with that, guys, check out the Luncia casserole carrier. And with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.